One of the things that's going on right now is a dragonfly hatch. And smallmouth bass, walleye, trout, everyone's going to key in on these big dragonfly nymphs as they crawl ashore to molt and become adult dragonflies. And they'll intercept these dragonfly nymphs as they're crawling and swimming up towards the shoreline. And what I'm going to use are two types of flies to imitate them. One, a woolly bugger. This one's a nice brown one. It's pretty close to the color of this. And the other one is a deer hair streamer. It's almost like a zoo cougar, but it's black. Both will work really well. And the fly line I'm going to use to get these down is a 6 or 7 weight sink tip. This one's a Rio fly line, they're really good, sink tip. And this is a 12-foot head, and I'm using a sink rate of approximately 6 inches per second. So I can make short, fast casts into the shoreline where the boulders are, where these dragonfly nymphs are going to be coming ashore. And these flies will intercept, thinking it's a dragonfly swimming, going towards the shoreline. We're going to have a great bite on the smallmouth with these.
For the bass, Scott had me target rocky points like these ones, which are usually magnets for schools of hungry smallmouth. With adult dragonflies all around us, it only made sense to use a presentation that would imitate dragonfly larvae scooting along the bottom, heading for shore. The results came fast.
There you are. All right. So I was throwing a pike fly. Ah, this is beautiful. Throwing a pike fly, big bass came out, followed it, and Scott said, you know something? You should throw on, or change rods and throw a fly, and we put on a dragonfly pattern. It's a woolly bugger that's well dressed. And his thing to me was the dragonflies don't move real quick. Do little short pulls or just hand wind it in, and you'll get a bass. Okay, do you want to net him with the net there?
Sure will,
sure
will. It's a nice net. I sure like this.
Yeah, it's great for catch and release and not harming the fish. And it's a long handle.
It's a very long handle. Most of these kind of like this are the ones that you see from the stream fishermen that have.
Yeah, this is made specifically for boat fishing.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Look at this rod, and this is a 7 weight I'm using here. And a 9-foot leader going to this woolly bugger, which I'll show you in a second here. It's a weighted one. But look how strong this guy is. Oh, look at that. It's amazing how chunky that is, Scott, that bass for this time of year. I mean,
they're full eggs.
Is that what it is?
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
There's a female, you think, pre-spawn?
Pre-spawn females sitting out in these, on these shoals, eating dragonfly nymphs today, obviously. And barfing up. See her belly? It's like that.
Beautiful.
Isn't he pretty?
Beautiful fish. Nice. And if we can get those to eat top water some point in the next few days, it'd be great. All right. Thank you, sir.
Nice
or
fish.
should I say, madame?
It only took you a couple of casts. You got him.
Real slow retrieve. And that is, let me show that to you a little better. That's the fly that was working.